Today we shall study about rights of persons with disabilities RPWD Act 2016 in inclusive education under B.Ed first year second semester. Let it begin. RPWD stands for Rights of Persons with Disability. This Act 2016 was enacted by the Rajya Sabha on 14 December 2016 and by the Lok Sabha on 17 December 2016. This Act came into force on 30 December 2016. RPWD 2016 replaces the Persons with Disabilities Act 1995. This 2016 Act replaces Act 1995. The most important point in RPWD Act 2016 is that the number of recognized disability conditions has been increased from 7 to 21. The new list of recognized disabilities include 3 blood disorders: thalassemia, hemophilia and sickle cell disease, and acid-attack survivors have also been included in the list. Intellectual disability, Parkinson's disease, cerebral palsy, dwarfism, and autistic spectrum disorders also find place in the list. This inclusion will help more people to have access to the government schemes and facilities intended for the welfare of disabled people in India. Now, important terms and their definition under this Act. First is barrier. It refers to any factor which hampers the full and effective participation of persons with disabilities in the society. It includes cultural, economic, environmental, attitudinal, and structural factors. Second, discrimination. It has been defined in relation to disability as any distinction, exclusion, restriction on the basis of disability for which there is an impairing or nullifying of recognition, enjoyment, or exercise on equal basis with others of all human rights and fundamental freedom. It has been said to include discrimination in all forms and denial of reasonable accommodation. Third is person with disability. It has been defined as any person with long-term physical, mental, intellectual, or sensory impairments which on interacting with barriers hinders effective and equal growth in the society. Fourth is person with benchmark disability. It refers to a person who has 40% or more of the specified disability has not been defined in measurable terms. in case such disability has been defined in measurable terms. It is said to include a person with disability. Fifth is person with disability having high support needs. It means a person with benchmark disability certified under Clause A of subsection 2 of Section 58 who needs high support. This was the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016 and its important terms and their definition under this act. Thank you so much, all of you.